If you can't speak in full paragraphs while running, you aren't building endurance. You're just accumulating fatigue. The hardest run to execute isn't your interval session, it's the easy run. Most runners accidentally drift into the gray zone, running too fast for recovery, but too slow for real speed adaptation. Physiologically, we want to stay in zone 2. This specific intensity builds mitochondrial density and capillary networks without stressing your autonomic nervous system or requiring long recovery times. To keep yourself honest, set a hard ceiling. For most runners, this is 75% of your maximum heart rate. If your monitor reads a number higher than this, you have one job: slow down immediately. However, data has limits. In high heat, humidity, or at the end of a long run, cardiac drift kicks in. Your heart rate rises to cool your body, even if your muscular effort remains low. This is where we switch to RPE, or rate of perceived exertion. Forget the watch and use the paragraph test. Can you speak 3 full sentences about your day without gasping for air? The biggest enemy of the easy run is the ego. Whether it's keeping up with a faster friend or fearing a slow average pace on Strava, external validation destroys internal recovery. If you train with power, it helps control effort on hills. Heart rate lags when you start climbing, but power spikes instantly. Cap your power to keep your metabolic cost flat, even if your pace drops. Here is the golden rule. Pace is irrelevant on easy days. Some days easy is 5 o'clock per kilometer, other days it's 6:30. Let your body's fatigue level dictate the speed, not your GPS watch. If you run your easy days too fast, you enter the moderate trap. You accumulate fatigue without gaining high-end fitness, leaving you too tired to hit peak performance during your actual key workouts. True confidence is having the discipline to run slowly when you know you could run faster. Use the 75% cap, trust the talk test, and leave the ego at home. Easy runs succeed by constraint, not effort. Have the confidence to run slow so you can race fast.